just break it down to you and me uptown.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in case it's your first time coming across my channel, make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So guys, today, as you can see my background, I'm in the village, and this is a very beautiful village. Can you see that green? You have a lot of bananas over here. And so guys, today I'm gonna take you through my cooking here in the village. I'm gonna make an African meal, a Kenyan meal, but I think Kikuyu dish. I would say Kikuyu dish because I don't know if other tribes normally make this dish. But before then, I want to go and see my grandma's kitchen so that I have like a conducive place to cook. So yeah, come with me guys. I'm going to make this mokimo African dish. Then I'm going to make it with some side stuff like cabbage and what else, and avocado is very necessary. So right now I'm going to take the pumpkin leaves that I'm going to use to make the mokimo. Let me show you where they are. This is pumpkin leaves. Yeah, pumpkin leaves. Is there any pumpkins that I can show you? Let me see. These are the flowers of the pumpkin leaves. These are the flowers of the pumpkins. These are the pumpkin leaves, and I think there are no pumpkins here. Oh, there's one over here. But this is a tiny one. This is the smallest. Like, it's so tiny. There's no big one, but if I come across it, I'm gonna show you. There's no any big pumpkin here. You guys are not lucky. You are not lucky. I'm going to peel these potatoes here, and then I can start cooking. I'm also going to prepare the pumpkin leaves, yeah, to clean them and all that. You know my shosho likes mokimo. If you have watched my previous video, you know this. This is like the second time I'm making this one, but now in a different way. So guys, as you can see, look at this one. It is a cool. The mokimo that I'm making has I'm using this. This is cowpeas, yeah. Personally, I've never used it before making it. It's my first time using this one. I've used the brown one before because there are different types, so it's also something new for me. Using this knife, it's so blunt. Aki my shosho, she never sharpens her knife. So when I asked, she told me that this is what she uses to sharpen her knife. I don't know how to use it, but I think I'm just gonna use my mind. So I'm not sure. Okay, I hope it's gonna sharpen. Oh, it's working. Honestly, it's sharp. Okay, let's see. Yeah, somehow it did magic. I'm already done preparing the potatoes, and now I'm going to cut one onion so that I start cooking my mokimo. Oh my god, I love mokimo. I never used to like it as a kid, but as time went, I came to appreciate these kind of foods, yeah, like matoke, mokimo. You know, those kind of healthy stuff. That's me right now. I feel old. Guys, did you realize that here in the village we don't even use a chopping board? You just do the best way you know how. As you can see, my onion is ready, so I'm going to set this fire. Because my tomatoes are also ready. guys, it has been raining, so there is no enough firewood, and the one that is available is actually wet. Is that how it's supposed to be, like wet firewood? I will prepare these pumpkin leaves so that I can add them over there. By that time, maji itakuwa imepungua, like the water will be less. So I'm a Kikuyu. We are Kikuyos. We like Gadufu, but if this is Mokimo, we cannot accept that. So for now, I'm going to make this, and then yeah. My potatoes are almost ready, so what I'm gonna do is add the pumpkin leaves, which I have already cut. Here they are. You can cut them into small pieces like this, or very big pieces, because at the end of it all you will mash them. Yeah, so guys, here in the village there is no wastage, so I was just making my cabbage, and then I'll bring this to this beautiful cow. Say thank you. It's really focused. This is the product. So what I'm going to do is mash. This is the pumpkin leaves, a cowpeas, and potatoes. What else? The onions and the tomatoes, and of course I did put some salt. So I'm going to mash it to become mokimo. This is how it's supposed to look. I'm using this mwiko to mash. Mwiko na kizungu inaitwaje? Stick. Cooking stick. Yeah. So this is what you use to mash, and this is the final product. I think I'm done. So guys, I'm cutting this cabbage, and then I'll steam it maybe for 2 minutes or so, and then I'll be done. Like done. Everyone is hungry. Everybody is waiting for me to finish up. So finally guys, I'm done. My cabbage is done, my mukimo is done, everybody is waiting for me to serve them. Yeah, I just wanted my cabbage to cook for just like 2 minutes, and as you can see they are like white green. I didn't want color on them, so I didn't put any tomatoes or any spice. I think for me this is perfect. Done. I'm having it with avocado. Like without this, the meal is not complete at all. So I'm going to. That comes to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends.